Hello everyone. In previous video we understood the basic structure of Java program, class and object, and also the package declaration. Now in this video we will learn about data types and variables. So let's get started. Let's discuss very basic idea to understand what are data types and variables. So during our school time, we have learned that every object in Word have some weight and it takes some space wherever we put. For example, we have a table for space where we can put object. Now there is a limit how many objects we can put on the table, and that depends on the size of each object. Similarly, in computer programming, to store or collect data, object, variables, we have memory, and in memory we can put data like numbers, characters, and information, etc. Now in real world we have different type of objects. Same way in Java we have short, int, long for whole numbers, float, double for decimal numbers, character for literals, string to store words and sentences. So these types like int, long, float, double, char to store different type of data are called as data types. Now let's quickly understand what are variables. So to represent anything, any person, any object, we give a name. Like my name is Pankaj. Everyone knows me by my name Pankaj. So name is a variable here and it is storing Pankaj as a value, that is of string type. Let's say age is another variable and storing 26 as value, that is of type integer or number. Definition wise we will say a variable is to store some information which can change time to time. Now let's understand how we will declare a variable and assign value in Java program. Let's say we are having a variable age and we have to assign a value 26. So age is going to be an integer type variable. So we have to write it as int age equal 26 and semicolon. Let's say we want to declare first and later point of time we will assign a value. So to declare we will be write like this int age and semicolon. So we are simply saying age will be a variable. Right now it is not holding any value. Now later point of time we can write it like age equal to 26 semicolon. Now this time we are not defining its data type, that is int, because we have already declared, and this time we are just making an assignment of value. Till now you might have observed that we have semicolon after every statement. So what is that for? Semicolon is for specifying the end of a statement. Like we have a dot to end a statement in English language. Similarly, we have semicolon for same purpose in Java. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.